Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you skin whitening 10 shades lighter, get fairy spotless and glowing skin for body whitening and to get an amazing effect from first use, whiten skin tone, and by using that remedy on a regular basis you will whiten your skin 10 shades. It is super effective and it's bleaching the skin naturally. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use the natural aloe vera gel instead, and add 1 teaspoon. And then we need to add around 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and you can use Colgate toothpaste, any type of toothpaste you can use. Then we need to add coconut oil. Then we need to add half teaspoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder in this, you need to use baking soda. And now mix the ingredients very well. Once you mixed and combined all the ingredients together like so, it's ready to use. Apply it on your skin, and this is not to apply on face, this is to apply on body. And my friends, the result will amaze you from first use. Leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse it with water, and my friends, the result is amazing. It's bleaching the skin naturally and whiten skin tone 10 shades without any side effects, with very simple ingredients at home. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.